So, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to all of you that are returning, and welcome to all of my new subscribers. I'm so glad you guys are here. Today I'm going to be cleaning my living room. As you can tell, I'm going to start off by dusting off my pillows over here on this day bed that I use as a sofa because I didn't have anywhere to put it. So right now we're just using it as a sofa. So I'm going to go ahead and clean this off and get everything dusted off. My daughter, she's been sleeping in here. I guess she feels like she's on a mini vacation if she sleeps in here and not her bedroom. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this living room together. It's quite junky right now. We've been very busy. The kids had a lot of school activities and things, so the living room got a little out of hand. So we're gonna get this together, and I hope this video motivates you guys to get some cleaning done. And y'all, let's get it going. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab this bag of shoes here. I have a lot of shoes here that I'm gonna donate to the Salvation Army. The girls can no longer wear them, so we'll be donating those. And I have a pile of trash here, and I'm just gonna take these socks and dust them out and put them in the washer. Getting ready for laundry tomorrow. I will be doing a laundry video very soon. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get all that together, dust these shoes out over here, and put these in the shoe box. And we cleaned the shoe box out off camera because it was so full and it was so much work, and it was flooding over. It was just so much. So I'm going to go ahead and take this trash right here out, and I'm going to go ahead and get this bed over here dust off, and put the pillows back on it, and that's it, guys.
whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight oil. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me.
So now I'm just gonna go ahead and take my bucket here, and I have water, bleach, and a little bit of dish detergent in here, and I'm gonna go ahead and mop the floors. And this is the spin mop. I picked this up from Walmart. I think it was like $40, somewhere up in there. And guys, I absolutely enjoy it. I had it now for about maybe 3 or 4 months, and I have absolutely enjoyed it. As you guys remember in some of my older videos, I used to use the older mop that you had to actually squeeze out by hand, and I got so sick and tired of doing that, and it shed the little rag part of the mop used to shed all over the house, and I had to go behind once the floor dries and sweep it all up. But with this one, I don't have to do that. I love this mop so much, and I think the kids love it too, because I can actually get them to do more cleaning now because they like the little spin thing on it. But guys, this is the after of everything. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below of what you guys thought, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.